Well, friends, we have the 18th question, which is, who is the evil one and what is his purpose? Well, we have seen Satan or Lucifer in the initial stages, that who he is and how he became the evil one. Now, his purpose is to destroy human beings, the entire humankind, and also destroy the creation of God. His idea is to destroy God and challenge God. And God has also permitted him, because if a certain time span, when the final judgment comes, when the judgment of the evil one will also take place. At the moment, the world is under the control of the evil one. He calls the shot, and he himself does not have the power to destroy. So he uses the knowledge of the human beings. You can see how we were thousands of years back and how we are now, how the knowledge has increased so tremendously. And whatever is written in the last book of the Bible, the book of Revelation, you will see that it will come to pass, and all these destructions will take place. We will have so many types of disease, plagues, and all that. We are now facing one, but this will go, and then many others will come, more serious and more devastating. And the world itself will be coming to an end, but not a full end of the world, but a lot of destructions of humankind till Jesus Christ will return for the final judgment. And Jesus Christ has already given us the warning what will happen, how the Antichrist will come. And that Antichrist is always trying to mislead the people by showing that he is that Christ, he is that power, he is that God. Well, many people will definitely follow him. He is the beast, and his mark will be 666. In times to come, you will see the entire world will be more or less one. A single currency will be there, and one ruler will be there. And that ruler would be the Antichrist, who would show so many miracles, and he will rival and show that I am the real Christ. The Christ who had come is not the real one, and I have come and I will be the final one. Whereas that is not the truth. Devil is the father of liar, therefore he can mislead you anytime. Either by force, things will be different. There will be the computer age and the technology and artificial intelligence. All these will come to such a tremendous proportion that everybody will be under surveillance. Everybody can be pinpointed wherever they are in the world. And that world government will be there, which will be headed by this Antichrist. And such a time will come. And when such a time comes, you will see the coming of the true Messiah, Jesus Christ, will be there for the final judgment. So you will see these signs. Tremendous amount of suffering, the world economy collapsing, world currency changing, and you will have world rule, and all people will be all controlled by all the authorities that are there. When such a situation is seen, then when the calamities around and with these wars, etc., you will be able to guess that the time is coming first for the Antichrist to come, and then Jesus Christ to come and deliver judgment on the Antichrist and all his people, all those who have joined with him, and he will take all his kingdom people to himself. Then there will be a final judgment from Jerusalem. That is why Jerusalem is important. And from there, everywhere the judgment will be done, and there will be a division between the good and evil, and the evil will be destroyed once and for all, and the good will rule with Jesus as the king. This is not a story, this is something which will happen. You will see it maybe in your lifetime or maybe the generations to come. I do not know, but it is a fact and it is truth that such things will happen. Thank you.